Passport. A small book you need to travel to another country. I showed my passport at the airport. Visa. Permission to go to another country. I got my visa for Dubai. Ticket. Paper or digital pass for your trip. I bought my plane ticket. Boarding pass. Paper to enter the plane. The man checked my boarding pass. Airport. A place where planes take off and land. I reached the airport early. Check in. Telling the airport you are here for your flight. I checked in for my flight. Counter. A desk where staff help you. I went to the counter for help. Luggage. Bags you carry when you travel. My luggage is heavy. Carry on. Small bag you take inside the plane. I kept my carry-on with me. Security check. Safety check before going to the plane. I went through the security check. Gate. The place where you enter the plane. My flight is at Gate 3. Flight. A journey by plane. My flight is at night. Take off. When the plane goes up in the sky. The plane will take off soon. Land. When the plane comes down. The plane will land in 1 hour. Seat. A place where you sit. I found my seat. Window seat. Seat near the window. I like the window seat. Aisle seat. Seat near the walking space. He chose the aisle seat. Boarding. Getting on the plane. Boarding started late. Delay. When something is late. My flight has a delay. Arrival. When you reach a place. My arrival time is 6 p.m. Departure. When you leave a place. The departure is at 10 a.m. Baggage claim. Place to get your bags after flight. I went to baggage claim. Immigration. Place where officers check your passport. I stood in line at immigration. Customs. Place where your bags are checked. Customs checked my bag. Reception. Front desk in a hotel. I went to reception. Key. Card. Used to open your room. I got my room key. Room. A place where you stay in a hotel. My room is very nice. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.